I saw Mama Squirrel eating in the rain and decided to give her a picnic. It just happened that it was also Mother's Day. She was skeptical at first. The menu consisted of fresh fruits, nuts, and oats. Her favorite was walnuts. She then saw that her beloved bird feeder has been moved and proceeded to come closer. Watch her climbing the pole at this first attempt. The pole was 48 inches from the ground up. The next day, I found her on top of the metal pole. Undeterred, wasn't she? Let's watch that again.